Hey, hello my dear friends, how are you doing? Today we are going to talk about the first conditional in Teacher Bob's class. So welcome on board. But what is a condition? Well, a condition is when an action happens, another happens. And if this action does not happen, probably this one is not going to happen either. So let's see how we can construct ideas in first conditional. So let's check this example. If you get an A on the test, I will buy you the PlayStation 5. Oh my god, the PlayStation 5? Yes, if I get an A. So yes, you have to study a lot. One situation here and one result. Alright. So did you notice that I used a comma over here? Yes, if you use the if clause first, you have to use a comma. If you switch the order, like this, I will buy you the PlayStation 5 if you get an A on the test, then no comma needed. Alright, so let's check how we can construct an idea in first conditional. You're going to use the if clause with the present simple, and then you have to use future simple with will, be going to, or you can also use can, okay? And don't forget the comma. Let's see some example. If I fix the car, or if I fix the car, if I get the money, if I get the tickets, if your mother is not angry, whatever, or if your father is not angry, yes, we will go on vacation. That is we will. We are going to travel, that is be going to, or we can go to the movies, that is can. And yes, I use the comma because the if clause is first, and I can change the order. Yes, I can say that. We will go on vacation if I fix the car, and no comma needed. And did you notice that I said if your father is not angry? Yes, you can use a negative idea with an affirmative idea, yes, sure. If your father is not angry, he will give you permission. That is a logical idea. So remember, you can play with affirmatives and negatives in the order that you want, okay? Thing is that it has to make sense. It has to be logical, all right? And that is how you use the first conditional. So thanks for coming to Teacher Bob's class. I will see you next time with the second conditional. And please, don't forget this. Yo decido ser amor, which in English means I decide to be love. So love others as much as you would like to be loved, and that for sure is going to make you happy. Hugs! See you next time.